Hello everyone! Welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best astronomical reflector telescopes on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Dianfan 150 EQ Astronomical Reflector Telescope and what makes it special. Let's get started. Product features: 150 mm large aperture. The 150 mm wide aperture captures plenty of light, delivering brighter and clearer views of planets, the moon, star clusters, and deep sky objects. 650 mm focal length provides a versatile balance of magnification and brightness, ideal for both lunar observation and medium-range celestial exploration. German equatorial mount, equipped with slow-motion control cables and precise tracking dials for smooth, accurate movement when following stars and planets. Easy 20-minute setup. Arrives pre-assembled for fast setup. Perfect for beginners or families wanting a quick start without complicated assembly. Supports terrestrial viewing. Mount design enables daytime viewing of landscapes, wildlife, and distant objects with inverted but clear imagery. Multiple eyepieces included. 2 eyepieces offer different magnification levels, giving flexible viewing options for various celestial targets. 2x Barlow lens doubles the magnification of any eyepiece, providing greater zoom for observing craters, planets, and deep sky details. Red dot finder scope helps users quickly locate targets by projecting an easy-to-align red dot onto the night sky. Moon filter reduces glare and enhances contrast when viewing the moon's surface, making details clearer and more comfortable to observe. Phone adapter included. Allows simple astrophotography. Capture lunar shots or sky view videos straight from your smartphone. 26 to 130x magnification range. Supports flexible viewing from wide-field lunar landscapes to closer planetary observation under suitable sky conditions. Full-height stainless steel tripod. A sturdy, stable tripod provides shake-free performance for crisp, enjoyable viewing sessions. Pros: bright, clear images with 150 mm aperture. Accurate tracking with equatorial mount. Great for beginners and families. Complete accessory kit included. Supports both astronomy and daytime viewing. Cons: equatorial mount may take time to master. Tripod is sturdy but slightly heavy. High magnification requires stable conditions. Final thoughts. The Dianfan 150 EQ offers everything needed for immersive stargazing: powerful optics, smooth controls, and versatile accessories. Whether you're exploring lunar details or discovering deep sky treasures, it delivers an impressive experience for all ages. If you're looking for a telescope that brings the universe within reach, this one is a fantastic choice. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more exciting videos.